any attempt to rig this election in Edo State, then we will know whether it is better for us to remain here or not, because Edo people have spoken. Edo people have spoken, and it is very, very clear. So let nobody make any attempt. You can rig any other place. Edo State has come back to PDP. Since 1999, Edo State has been PDP. I don't know what happened at PDP. That's it to, I don't know what they call them. Now that we have taken our state back. And let me assure my brother, the governor, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. You're a governor. Don't be afraid. Stand firm. This election will win it, and win it very, very well. So, Mr. Chairman, let me tell you that we have already started work unknown, even before the inauguration. I spoke to the governor the other day. I told him one or two things. And I said, we cannot fold our hands. If those leaders, people have to go home. Everybody go home. Everybody go home. Don't operate the game from Abuja. Go home. Because this election is the final. If we don't win a day this time around, Chairman, all these things, leader, no. They must win this election. This one, they have a governor now, so they must win this election. So, Chief Dowesi, Chief Tabikimi, all of you, former Minister of Works, everybody now, go home. And let us work to make sure that Godwin Obaseki is returned. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. If a man at the age of 100 years, like Ganduje, of course, you know, it's not less than 100 years. By the facts I took from my INEC, it's not less than 100 years. So if a man of 100 years is feeling that he can challenge people who, according to him, said he has war veterans, people like Yahya Bello, what they will see, well, we're not like Dino Milari. They can do anyhow. We're not like Dino Milari. They know where we are coming from. Nobody will take Edo State from us. So, Mr. Chairman, you and members of the National Working Committee, go home and relax. The work has started. PDP, this is the first time you are setting up a national council campaign of other states. This is the first time you will win too. You have never won before. This one, I will dash it to you, you will win. Everything we will do it to win. So, you know, I'm not an Abuja man, and I hardly come here. So, but I said I must come today to tell you that we will win this election. We will win this election. But we will give them whatever they want. We will give them what